Alright, hello, this is Can Opener Entertainment, and today I'm gonna be tackling a very tough issue. This will be how to open an orange envelope. Now, a lot of people have been asking me to teach them how to do that, and I finally figured it out. Alright, so basically, this envelope is on the floor, as you can see. Basically, gotta grab it. See, this is the plain side. This is going to be the difficult part. You see this flap right here, this little flap? This is what you need to open it, alright? So basically, what you're gonna do is you're gonna leave it on the floor, and you're gonna try your best to grab this, then you just lift it open like that. There you go, now you can get inside your envelope. Alright, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe and comment down below if this helped you figure out how to open your orange envelopes. Alright, peace.